Hi there, how have you been? Welcome to yet another video on my YouTube channel. Lately I was thinking of having this application where I can keep track of my YouTube ideas. Probably I would have multiple scripts for a single idea and tags associated with it. So this is how this application came into existence. So let's just get started. Following the generic format, I would just show you the basic features of this application. I would then talk about what tech stack I have used and would show probably some pieces of the source code. Okay, so I have logged in as a dummy user. I have 2 ideas right now and 3 tags associated with those ideas. I also have a status linked with each idea. So to start with, I can add an idea. I already have 2 existing ideas, and this table is created using AJ Grid. So it's a feature-rich table which has sorting and filtering available with animation. You can perform CRUD operations on it. Let's just delete this idea. So for this toasts, I have used this library called Vue3 Toastification. Similarly, for tags, CRUD operations can be flawlessly performed. Let's just add one idea now, or better, I should start by adding a tag. Let's say this would be related to games. Okay. I click on submit. So you got this new tag right at the bottom. Let's just create an idea and link that idea with this new tag which we created. Let's say I want to have a video titled Last of Us. Maybe explaining the experience I had playing the game. Click on submit. So you can see I have this new idea now. If I click on edit, I can see this idea was associated with games. Games was one of the tags linked with this idea. I have various status. So if you remember, while creating the idea, you were not able to change the status. By default, it had a draft status. I can now mark it complete. It does not make sense, but I just wanted to show you something that it does here keep track of completed ideas. Let's just change title a little bit. As you can see, we have now one completed idea, and the title was changed. Let's go to the details page now. It shows that I don't have any scripts added for this idea as of now. It shows the tags, only one tag is there. Let's add a script. A script can have a title and a description. For the second script, I have taken some dummy text. Let's add a third one now. Let's click on submit. Let's edit this now. Each idea has limitations of adding 3 scripts. So if I try to add the 4th script, it should not allow me to add it. As you can see, we are getting this error that you cannot add more than 3 scripts for this idea, or any idea for that matter. So that's about it. In future, I plan to implement features like being able to share your ideas with other users, probably have some social networking features like being able to personal message a user, and maybe create a group and then have a group chat based on how people see an idea. Okay, if you want to share a certain idea with a group of people and want to know their opinion on it, you could probably initiate a group chat with a circle of people. So those features I was thinking of implementing. And also I have a lot of test cases to write for this application, so I would probably make a dedicated video for that as well in future. I would be using FastAPI. I think I have never covered the tech stack which I used in this application. So this application uses FastAPI and Vue.js. FastAPI for the back end, Vue.js obviously for the front end. This is the source code of the application. It has backend and front end clubbed into a single application. So backend is housed inside this backend folder, and we have client folder which contains all the front end related code. It uses Postgres and Alembic for handling databases related things. I would probably talk more about the source code in probably one of the later videos. So that is it for this video. If you like my content, please give a like to this video, and for more tech related contents on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It really does help me stay motivated. So yeah, please look forward for the video on test cases for this application. See you, and thanks for watching.